We need to get this out. Close. Wait, what? No! I was wrong. What? No! That's gonna get you. But no, please. Okay, well, this is kind of seriously because they have to get away from me. Because I had to kick those asses before I could get attacked. No! Okay, that's the last one. Oh, ha ha ha! That's why. Ha ha ha! I don't think you're Skywalker. See that time machine? It's going longer, but a chance it's for the police officers. That's right. I am going to throw you into the black place. No! You haven't seen the last time. Me! Ah, psh. Oh no! I'm in the black! Oh no! What's happening to me? Ah! Oh no! It's gonna flood! Oh, I'm so scared! I don't want to get drowned! Oh no! I'm drowning! Oh, I can't breathe! Help! Are you okay? Estelle? Huh? I told you not to go in the flood for good. He's gonna drown you. If you drown, he will spawn you. Oh, I'm sorry. I will do never again.